Hello everyone, in this video we're gonna learn the composition of two functions. Alright, so let's start with the formula first. So what does mean f circle here over there and then g applied to the x? So first we'll probably what the meaning of this. It means too simply you are applying the f to the g of x, and you are supposed to start from inside to the outside. So basically g of x first and then plug it into the f of x. Now another thing that you want to know is how do you read this. It's simply you read it as a no. So this is read as f o g of x, and how do you read this? Basically f of g of x. So you can read it one way or the other. It's too simply is composition of two functions. So for our problem, what we got here, we are looking for g o f of x. It's always easier to apply directly the formula over here. So this means I am applying the g to the f of x. And we start by plugging in the f of x by each expression. So this is going to be f of x, we see 3x plus 6. So you're going to be g parentheses of minus 3x plus 6. So now what the meaning of this again? So I'm going to do something like weird. I'm gonna delete whatever I have there, and I have g of a parentheses. So what's the meaning of a g of a parentheses, or a g of a box if you want to, right? It means I'm gonna substitute the box instead of the x in here, right? So this is gonna be equals to 2. Instead of writing x, you're gonna write down the box and then plus 5. If I have x squared, I'm going to do box squared. If I have more x's there, every time I see the x, I draw a box in there. So why did I draw a box? Because inside the box, I'm going to put in minus 3x plus 6. So whenever I have a g of a box, or g of a minus 3x plus 6, it's going to be 2 times inside that box. I'm gonna write down 3x plus 6, and that's gonna be my function. So this is gonna be 2 parentheses minus 3x plus 6 and plus 5. From here you can do the PEMDAS, you can make a distribution and you solve this. So 2 times minus 3x minus 6x, 2 times 6 is gonna be a 12 plus 5, and finally you combine the like terms. So you're going to be minus 6x, and this two is going to be plus 17. And this should be your final answer.